How do commutative and associative properties work with algebra terms? Imagine you're playing with building blocks. Sometimes you can change the order of the blocks or how they are grouped without changing the structure. That's similar to what these properties do in algebra. They help us work with terms more easily. The commutative property means that when you add or multiply algebraic terms, you can swap their positions and still get the same answer. For example, if you have two terms, a and b, then a plus b is the same as b plus a. The same goes for multiplication. A times b equals b times a, but remember, this only works with addition and multiplication, not subtraction or division. So if you try to swap terms in a subtraction, it changes the result. The associative property is about how you group three or more terms. It says that no matter how you group them when adding or multiplying, the answer stays the same. For example, with three terms a b and c, if you add them, it doesn't matter if you add a and b first, then add c, or add b and c first, then add a, the result will be the same. The same idea applies to multiplication. This property makes it easier to work with longer expressions because you can regroup terms to simplify calculations. Both properties are super helpful when working with algebraic terms. They let you rearrange and regroup terms freely when adding or multiplying. This makes combining like terms easier and helps you factor expressions more smoothly. For example, if you see 3x plus 5 plus 2x, you can use the commutative property to rewrite it as 3x plus 2x plus 5. Then, with the associative property, you can group the like terms together. 3x plus 2x plus 5. Simplifying the grouped terms gives you 5x plus 5. It's important to remember that these properties do not work with subtraction or division. For example, a minus b is not the same as b minus a, and dividing a by b is not the same as dividing b by a. These properties only apply to addition and multiplication, which are the two main operations that help us build and simplify algebraic expressions. So, in short, the commutative property lets you switch the order of terms in addition and multiplication, while the associative property lets you change how you group those terms. Both are tools that make working with algebra terms easier and more flexible, helping you solve problems faster and more confidently.